There are 3.5 billion searches made on Google every single day. Every search is done using a keyword. Do you do business online? Then you'd probably want to know what keywords can bring the relevant audience to your website. But Google doesn't make it easy for you to find the best keywords. It hides many search terms from analytic tools. It protects search volume data. And yes, it hides billions of valuable keywords from people that use Google Keyword Planner. Why? Because Google wants you to pay money for ads. To charge you more, it needs more and more advertisers competing for a small number of keywords. Fierce competition makes the cost per click go up, together with Google's profits. But there is an easy way to find many popular keywords that your competitors might not even know about. You might have heard about it. It's Google Autocomplete. Google uses a sophisticated algorithm that suggests the most relevant and popular keywords when you start typing a query into the search box. And Keyword Tool helps you to get these great keyword suggestions from Google Autocomplete fast and easy. When you search on Google, most likely you will see the maximum of 5 autocomplete suggestions. But guess what? Keyword Tool can get up to 20 keyword suggestions for exactly the same search term. Yet we go even further. We will take your seed keyword, put it in the Google search box, add different letters and numbers, and get hundreds of useful keywords for you in a matter of seconds. Give it a try right now.